Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed unmacked transmission. This guy's in the bright white and it looks great. You got the white grill up front here, it looks awesome. You got the Ram logo and you do have some lights right there which are very bright. You also have your halogen headlamps there and your fog lights just down there on that chrome bumper with your tow hooks as well. Now coming around the side, we do have 20-inch rims with Wrangler brand Goodyear tires. Tons of tread left on them. They look fantastic in that black. Stands out very nicely. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors there with your turning signals on them, and you do have your running boards just along the bottom there as well. And it does also come with a 5-foot box. It also has that guy there to protect your head if something did slide forward, or you could put your ladders up on top of it or whatever you might want to. You do have the Outdoorsman logo right there and the 4x4 logo. Now you do also have your backup camera hanging out right there. And open this up, you do have that 5-foot box with the box liner on it. It looks great and nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and you do have your panic button right up there. But let's unlock and take a look here. Now on the door here, you do have that chrome accenting on the handle. You do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks, and this guy does bring in your mirrors as well. You got a handle here, some storage here, and some more just down there with some cup holders. You also have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward as well as the tilt. And you got this guy which controls your lumbar support. Over here we do have the controls over our lights, so we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you push it in you do get your fog lights, and your in-cabin light control right there. Up here we also have the controls over our turning signals and our windshield wipers, as well as our high beams. Okay, now that we're inside, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our battery and our oil up there. It also says what channel we're on, which way we're facing, the temperature outside, and how many kilometers which we've beaten, which is only 15,000, not very many at all. Now you can change that guy up to your vehicle info. You also have your fuel economy, your trip A, your trip B, you got your trailer tow, you have your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. It is all controlled from your steering wheel right here, as well as you do have your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around this back of the steering wheel right here, you do have your volume up and down for your radio, so you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel. You got right down here your gear shift, so just like that, you just turn your gears. You also have your controls over your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low. And when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera. Now it is on an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as you do have your media tab here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Now you also have the controls here, so you have your mirror dimmer, your backup camera, and your settings, as well as you have your apps, so your backup camera, climate, phone, all of those guys. You also have your climate control, so your dual climate, you and your passenger can have different levels of heat or cold. You have the power up and down and all that. You can also turn the menu off if it is too bright for you, and you got your phone options right here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Right down here we do our other controls, so we have our volume up and down as well as our mute. We have our screen off, our hazard lights, our back button, and our browser. Then you also have your AC, you have your circulation, heat up and down for the dual climate, your off, your auto, your power, front and rear defrost, and then you have your trailer brake, your traction control, and your tow and haul mode. Bit of storage in here, lots of storage in here, and a place to put your phone, as well as you do have 2 cup holders right over here. And you do have your armrest, which does double as a storage container. You got some coin holders in here. Then you also have a aux cord and a USB plug-in, as well as another USB plug-in. And then if you open this guy up, you do also have some more storage just down there. And then over here we do have a dual layer glove box, top layer and bottom layer. Lots and lots of room in here. And then you do also have right up top your controls over your sunroof, your back little window, and then you also have your universal garage door opener. There is our sunroof. Lots and lots of light, it'll be very nice. You also got your little light, or your little window right there. Yeah, let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. You do have that same chrome accenting here. Handle, some storage right down here, and you do also have the controls over your windows here. Lots of storage down here to put whatever you might need. Now it is very comfortable back here, very soft. It is the same interior as the front. You can also pull this guy down right here. You do have an armrest and some cup holders. As well, you can lift this right up just like this, and you got some storage just underneath there, or you can fold this down like this, And just like that, and then something can sit on top of it. You have another one on the other side. You can also fold this back down, and then you do have some more storage just underneath there to put whatever you might need to. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Outdoorsman. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.